Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Thris. If you are a returning Stitchy, welcome back. So it is September 1st, which means it is the official release of Full Spectrum September 2023 subscription box release. I felt like a mouthful. Okay, so I am super excited. We're doing something fun this month. And that is, I have not named the colorway for this month because one of you are going to name it for me. And the way that this is going to be done is I'm picking two winners out of everybody who orders this month's subscription box. The first winner is going to name this month's colorway. And then the second winner is going to get a free box for October. And you don't want to miss October. October is going to be really cool. I've known what October is going to be for a few months now, and I'm super stoked about it. So the way that we're going to do this is I cut orders off on the 8th, unless we've spoken privately and you need more time or something like that. But I normally cut orders off on the 8th. So on the 9th, or the 10th, I'm going to go and write everybody's name down who ordered. It doesn't matter if it's a 1 hank box, a 2 hank box, or a 2 plus extras, or whatever the case may be. I'm going to write your name down on a ticket or piece of paper or something like that and make a video drawing the winners. And that way that gives me time to write the colorway name on the yarn tags for when I send them out. So I am very excited. I love doing these little things. Every month I gift a subscription box to somebody, and ever so often I'll do like fun little things. I don't usually do it publicly, but I thought this time we would do it publicly. So I'm super excited about that. All right, so this month's colorway is what can I say without giving it away? It is school themed. I'm just going to say that. Has something to do with school themed. School uniform. That was my inspiration, was school uniform. I feel like that's not giving too much away. So, spoiler alert, look away from the screen. I'm about to show the colorway and then I will let you know whenever I am done. So, now, mind you, that the phone really kind of detracts away from the actual depth of what this looks like. And I'm outside and I'm in weird lighting. But if you are looking at this, it is very much, you're going to get the vibe that this is school uniform. It is, okay, I am not showing it anymore. You can look. So, the color is very rich. There's a lot of depth to it, and it's very kind of Malabrigo style, in my opinion. Not that I'm comparing myself to Malabrigo, goodness no, but I just mean in the way that it kind of looks. If you see it, it makes sense. Anyway, okay, so all the details. 1 hank. Handmade stitch markers by Dee from Dee's Creative Hands, and shipping is included, is $25. 2 hanks stitch markers, handmade stitch markers from Dee's Creative Hands, and shipping included is $45. Every additional hank that you want beyond that, if you want to add a few extra hanks, by all means, they're just $20 additional. So if you get the 2 hank box for $45 and you want 1 extra hank, just put an extra 20 in there. It'll be $65. And boom, done. Good. I will have all of the information in the description box below. CashApp, Zelle, PayPal. What I need from you if you're going to order, I don't need you to email me or anything like that unless you just need to. But you can put every bit of information that I need from you in whatever service you use to pay me with. In all of them, there is somewhere where you can write a note or a message or something like that. So what I need from you is your address and then your weight preference. We have fingering, DK, and worsted. Another really cool thing that I'm going to do is some of you are going to be getting a little bit of an elevated base. If I run out of the regular superwash merino, by the way, all these are 19.5 micron superwash merino. Sorry. If I run out of those bases by chance, then you'll get an upgrade to a nicer, like a one that has, I have some luxury bases, so like a sparkle base, or if it's a fingering weight and I run out of them, I have a fingering weight that has sparkle, I have a fingering weight that has angora. So if I run out of the bases, I'm just going to use one of those luxury bases, so know that. So if that's not something you want, then let me know. But otherwise, that it won't be like a downgrade to like cotton or anything like that. It will stay in the animal fiber family. Not that cotton is a downgrade, but you know what I mean. So it is open now, and it is open until midnight on the 8th, unless there is an extenuating circumstance, in which case email me, let me know. If you don't get paid till the 10th or the 12th or something like that, totally understand, no big deal. The only thing it might do is delay by a few days of when you'll get it, but outside of that, no problem, no worries. I'm trying to remember if I've given all the details. So we've talked about start date, end date, payments, what the base is, showed what it looks like. You get to name it. Somebody's going to win a free box for October. I think I've covered everything. I don't think I left anything out. So I really, really love this base. I think it is absolutely beautiful, and I can't wait for you to see it in person, because it really captures school uniform like to a T. But I guess that's it. I really love you guys. And for those that are still with me here, I really appreciate you so very much. And yeah, I will see you guys on a video soon. Stay safe.